Good morning, class. I am Lakshman Singh here with you with our remaining part of similarity of triangles. So let us see. Let us take question number 6. In the adjoining figure, ABCD is a parallelogram, P is a point on side BC, and DP when produced meets AB produced at L. So prove that DP is to PL equal to DC is to BL. So first of all we take in triangle PDC and PBL. So you can see that triangle P, D and C and P, B, L. So here according to the name written we will take the sides. So first of all we prove that they are similar. So we can see that angle CPD equal to angle BPL, vertical opposite angles. Two lines are intersecting here. Then angle CDP equal to angle PLB. So because this is alternate interior angle, the CD and AL are parallel, so these two angles are alternate interior. So from angle axiom of similarity, angle axiom of similarity, we get triangle PDC similar to triangle PBL. Now ratio of corresponding sides we will take. So if we take first DP, which we have to prove, so DP will be corresponding to PL. So DP is to PL. DP is to PL equal to DC will be corresponding to BL. So DC is to BL. First part you have got. Then in second part we have to prove DL is to DP equal to AL is to DC. So first of all we take triangle ALD. We can see this triangle ALD. In this triangle this BP is parallel to AD. BP is parallel to AD. When a line is drawn parallel to any one side of triangle, then this line divides the remaining two sides in same ratio. So we can see that PL is to DP equal to BL is to AB. So we have written here PL upon DP equal to BL upon AB by basic proportionality theorem. Here basic proportionality theorem is used. Now add one both side. We have added one both side, taken LCM, that is DP. So PL plus DP upon DP equal to, here this side we have taken LCM, AB. So we get BL plus AB upon AB. So PL plus DP will be equal to DL and BL plus AB will be equal to AL. So DL upon DP equal to AL upon AB. We have to prove AL upon DC. So we know that AB equal to CD because of opposite sides of parallelogram are equal. So in place of AB we put here DC. So we get DL upon DP equal to AL upon DC. Let us take question number 8. In the adjoining figure, PS equal to 4 cm, SR equal to 2 cm, PT equal to 3 cm and QT equal to 5 cm. Then show that triangle PQR similar to triangle PST. Then calculate ST if QR is equal to 5.8 cm. So in triangle PQR and triangle PST we have taken these two triangles. Triangle PQ and R. So we have taken one this triangle, and PST one triangle is taken like this, PST. So you can see that when we are writing triangle PQR, so first is PQ, so that will be first side, that is A1. Then QR will be the second side, A2, and RP will be the third side. Then in triangle PST, P2S, that will be first side, that is B1. Then second side will be B2, that is ST, and third side will be PT, that is 3 centimeter. Now, first of all, we will prove these two triangles similar. Let us see. Angle P is common. Angle P is common for both. Then PQ, that is A1 upon B1, that is PS. PQ upon PS, A1 upon B1. We take the corresponding side, 1 corresponding to 1. A1 is corresponding to B1, A2 is corresponding to B2, and A3 is corresponding to B3. So, here A1 upon B1, that is PQ upon PS. PQ we can see that 5 plus 3, that is 8 centimeter. And PS is given 4 centimeter. So 8 upon 4, we get 2 upon 1 ratio. Similarly, we take PR upon PT. PR upon PT, we can see that PR upon PT. PR is A3, then PT is B3. So A3 upon B3 and PR upon PT equal to, how much is PR? PR is 4 plus 2, this is 6 centimeter. PR equal to 6 centimeter and PT given 3. So 6 upon 3, again we have got the ratio 2 upon 1. So we are getting this two side ratios 2:1 and angle equal. Angle is equal. So by side angle side axiom, we get triangle PQR similar to triangle PST. Now we are missing here this part ST, means we have to find B2. So A2 upon B2 equal to A3 upon B3. We can take any one. Either A2 upon B2 equal to A1 upon B1 or A3 upon B3. So we have taken A2 is QR, B2 is ST, and A3 is PR, B3 is PT. So QR given 5.8, ST we have to find. Here this is given PR 6 and PT equal to 3. So ST equal to 5.8 into 3 divided by 6. So ST is equal to 2.9 centimeter. Let us take question number 10. In the given figure, AB is parallel to PQ and AC is parallel to PR. So prove that BC is parallel to QR. So let us see the figure. Here given that AB is parallel to PQ and AC is parallel to PR. So first of all, we take triangle OPQ. You can see that triangle OPQ is this much part. OPQ. In this AB is parallel to PQ. OPQ, we have to take this much will be OPQ is this much. OPQ. See that? O, P and Q. This is the OPQ triangle, and in this AB is parallel to PQ. AB is parallel to PQ. When a line is drawn parallel to PQ, then ratio of remaining two sides parts will be equal. So OA upon AP will be equal to OB upon BQ. This will be the ratio by basic proportionality theorem. Similarly, we can see that in triangle OPR, this much triangle we can see, triangle OPR. So in this we can see AC is parallel to PR. So OA upon AP equal to OC upon CR. We have got this second part also, OA upon AP equal to OC upon CR. Now we can see both we have done equal to OA upon AP. So from first and second we can say OB upon BQ equal to OC upon CR. So here we can see that from first and second we have got OB upon BC equal to OC upon CR. BC divides OQ and OR proportionally. Here this BC, you can see that BC, this BC divides OQ and OR proportionally. It means this BC will be parallel to this third side, that is QR, which we have to prove. So by converse of BPT, basic proportionality theorem, here we apply converse of basic proportionality theorem, so we get BC is parallel to PR. Let us take question number 12. In the given figure, DE is parallel to BC and BD equal to DC given. So prove that DE bisects angle ADC, and if AD equal to 4.5 cm, AE equal to 3.9 cm and DC 7.5, then find CE. So let us see the figure. Here we are given that this DE is drawn parallel to BC and BD equal to given DC. So we have to prove that this DE bisects angle ADC. So DE given parallel to BC. Therefore AD upon BD equal to AE upon EC. So in place of this BD, we can write DC because it is given equal. So AD upon DC equal to AE upon EC. AD upon, see that, AD upon DC equal to AE upon EC. This represents angle bisector theorem. So as per angle bisector theorem, ratio of the divided parts of AC is equal to the ratio of sides containing the angle. Therefore DE bisects angle ADC. DE bisects angle ADC. Then second part saying if AD equal to 4.5, AE 3.9, DC 7.5, then find CE. We have to find the value of CE. So we can see that this is 7.5, DC is 7.5, so BD will be also 7.5. So we have already proved that DE is parallel to BC. So we can write AD upon BD equal to AE upon EC, or we can take the previous proof also, AD upon DC equal to AE upon EC. So we just put the values, AD 4.5, DC 7.5, AE 3.9 and EC we have to find. So EC equal to 3.9 into 7.5 divided by 4.5. So we get EC equal to 6.5 centimeter. Then we have to find AD is to DB. So AD is to DB equal to, AD we have 4.5, DB we have 7.5. So that is 3 upon 5. So AD is to DB equal to 3 is to 5. Let us take question number 14. In the given figure, angle ABC 90 degree and BD is perpendicular to AC. If AB equal to 5.7 centimeter, CD equal to 3 centimeter, BD 3.8, then find BC. So in triangle ABC and BDC, just see that ABC, this much triangle, and BDC means this triangle. So in this we can see that angle C is common. Angle C part is common. So let us take angle C common. First thing is equal here, angle C. Then angle BDC equal to angle ABC. Angle BDC will be 90 degree. Angle ABC is 90 degree. So two angles we are getting equal. So we can say by angle axiom, triangle ABC similar to triangle BDC. So now you see, we have taken the names A, B, C. So this is first side A1, this is second side A2, this is third side A3. Then we have taken the triangle BDC. We can see the BD, that is the first side. This will be B2 second side and BC will be the third side. So A1 upon A2 equal to B1 upon B2. A1, that is AB, upon A2 equal to BC, and B1 equal to BD and B2 equal to CD. So just we will put the values. AB 5.7, BC we have to find, that is given 3.8 BD, and CD equal to 5.4. So BC equal to 5.7 into 5.4 divided by 3.8. So on calculation we get BC equal to 8.1 centimeter.